I'm going to show you guys how to file a safety claim. So if you ever have to file a safety claim, you're going to push on these 3 lines up top. You're going to go down to orders and go to manage safety claims. I would just bookmark this. It makes it easier. We're going to click into this. And here, this is where you're going to file a new safety claim right up top. So this is whenever a customer returns something and they get auto refunded at first scan and it comes back, whether it's heavily used, not the same item, whatever that looks like, you're going to hit file a new safety claim. Now you're going to need the order number for this, so I'm just going to go ahead and put in this random one, and then you're going to hit check eligibility. Once you do, it's going to just confirm is this the product you want, and then you're going to say what is the reason for reimbursement. And so there's a few different options you can pick from, and you can read through them, but say if it wasn't returned in original condition, that's what you'd click, and then you're going to put the sample photos, and I highly recommend put as many as they allow, so that way you have the best chance of getting the most money back. So you want to make sure you have a photograph of the packaging and 3 different angles. You want to make sure you have photographs of the content of the return, and they even have like a sample photo, and this is what they want from you. So make sure, if you're not sure how to do that, they also give you just a little sample so that way you understand what that's going to look like. And then any supporting documents, maybe you had communication with the customer or anything that further justifies charging a restocking fee and getting some type of reimbursement. And here you're going to describe your claim. Be very limited in what you say. You don't want to say a lot because Amazon's just going to like not really pay attention to it. You want to just be like really quick and concise. If you need to, go to ChatGPT and literally just type in what you need to say and then say, give this back to me in 3 sentences, something like that. So that way it's really quick and easy. Then you're going to say, I confirm. Make sure you never lie. Don't make something damaged that's not, you can just get in trouble and it's just never worth it. So once you're done and you upload the photos, you do the description, you say confirm, and then you hit submit safety claim. Then they usually get back to you within 3-5 days at most, with the reimbursement status, whether you got approved or denied. Now, sometimes they will approve it and it'll be way less than what it should be. Then you can always just appeal it and you can say why you think you deserve more with actual facts and evidence of why you deserve more. So if that means you need to show them receipts and photos saying, hey, this is how much I was charged, this is how much it should be, that's what they're going to go off of. So make sure if you ever have to appeal, give them like actual receipts in the sense of like why they need to give you more, and show that documentation to them. And again, be very brief but concise. And that is how you file a safety claim.